lunch. Ang dami pang kanin, guys. Hindi ko naubos. Hindi ko nakain. Kasi inuna natin ang salad. Di ba hindi makakain ng kanin? Basta nakakain ng salad. Veggie salad. Mm. 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 Meron pang mushroom. Mm. Hindi tayo kakain ng sauerkraut. Kuha tayo konti para hindi dumihan. Mm. Awesome. Kuha pa tayo, guys. Mm. Sobrang asim. Too sour. The sauerkraut is too sour. Busog na tayo, guys. Meron pang konting rice. Pero konting-konti na lang. I'm full. Kaya, tama na. Dahil busog na tayo. So, that's all for today's video, guys. I'll see you again tomorrow for another mukbang with me series, dinner mukbang with me series, or cookbang with me series, whatever. Basta marami tayong gagawin araw-araw. Okay? Yan, ang daming dahon sa aking kamay. Ang daming parsley. So, that's all for today's video, guys. I'll see you again tomorrow for another episode. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Please like, share, and subscribe.